Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Denisa Anthony. I'm here with my team members, Kanaya and Bosley, representing BAA Research Specialists. We're here to discuss the e-waste exposure. We have conducted an experiment to demonstrate how much electronic waste can affect our society. So what exactly is e-waste and how does it negatively affect our environment? So electronic waste, or also known as e-waste, describes discarded electrical or electronic devices such as phones, iPads, computers, etc. Exposure to old electronics and improper e-waste disposal can result in a serious public health threat. Burning, melting, shredding, and dismantling could cause pollution in the air and lead to respiratory issues, diseases, and even cancers. The negative effects on soil result from improper disposal of e-waste that eventually seeps into the earth soil. So how can we solve this problem? The first step is spreading awareness and educating our society on the dangers and effects of e-waste. Some other good things we can do involve keeping our electronics under good condition, like cleaning and protecting our devices so they can, last a good time. We can also buy environmentally friendly electronics that are certified by the EP, which stands for Electronic Product Environmental Assessment.
Okay, now we're going to talk about objective and hypothesis. The purpose of the experiment is collecting the number of exposures for the 50 workers to mercury pollution from e-waste in mercury companies, and the number of exposures for the 50 workers to lead pollution from e-waste in lead companies. We hypothesize that long-term exposure to harmful toxins produced by the burning of e-waste can lead to soil contamination, air pollution, and lower water quality.
So here are the results that we collected. For mercury, as you can see, our mean was about 6.54 out of 327 exposures total. Our standard deviation is low, about 1.70, which means that if this test was ran multiple times, we would still get around the same mean of 6.54. And you can also read the same with the lead company. The mean is 3.16 out of a total of 158 exposures with a low standard deviation of 1.43. We concluded that overall, the data shows that the mercury e-waste exposure has a greater appearance in society than the lead e-waste exposure. Based on this information, the confidence level of 95% says that about 40% of the exposure was true for lead and about 50% is true for mercury. And here is a list of our sources. Thank you for listening to our presentation.